So what do you think of him, huh? Huh, Hoisum?
They finally get to lick one up. Jake doesn't seem to care. Hoisum does. Just smell me.
Just smelling him. Yeah, I'm sure it's stinky. He's not as clean as you are, Hoisum.
He doesn't seem to care about Hoisum that much.
And of course, being so small, Hoisum definitely doesn't feel threatened by him.
You want to go outside? Give me it. Don't, it's glued up. Jake, come here! Jake! Jake! Come here!
Wait, Hoisum.
Do you want to come in? Some?
No, don't turn it sideways. The movie would be sideways. You don't need to use Hoisum. Hoisum says his bed's kind of stinky too. Okay, well, they met.